Together with the rest of the country, the district administration of West Jaintia Hills celebrated the 11th National Voters' Day in the District Library Auditorium, Menthong, on the theme Making Our Voters Empowered, Vigilant, Safe and Informed. Deputy Commissioner Sri Garot LNS Dykes IAS, Sri PK Boro ADC, Sri L Kinjing ADC, Srimati DD Singh ADC, Srimati Y Maulang EAC, Sri M.A. Chalam EAC were present. Sri O Lamin MDC JHADC, Sri L Lakyang, Headman Lathalabo, Headman of Jowai Town, students and staffs of election branches were among those present. Sri Ferdinand Suchang was invited as a special guest. The program was chaired by Sri L Kinjing, Additional Deputy Commissioner. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Commissioner LNS Dykes lauded the efforts of the BLOs, officers and staffs of election branch for their efforts in inculcating the youths the importance of their right to franchise. Encouraging the youths to get enrolled in the voters list, the Deputy Commissioner also urged the citizens to fill the form for deletion of names from the electoral roll of those who have died. Earlier, Srimati DD Singh, Additional Deputy Commissioner, in her introductory speech stated that the main purpose of the day is to encourage all eligible voters to get themselves enrolled and also a day to create awareness on the need of effective participation in the electoral process. Later, Sri P.K. Boro led the audience in pledge reading. Electoral photo identity cards were distributed to 30 newly registered voters. Awards were also given to two best booth-level officers, Sri First Joy Lamare of 46 Sapai, Portiang, a polling station under 4 Mokayao AC, and to Srimati Anita Kar of 34 Nartiang, a polling station under 1 Nartiang AC, for their contribution in the election management.
Manage the electoral role to put the will of no voters to be left back. What the court would empower whoever he support electoral. School were film when the court of the political appeals exceptional. He did a he was year without weather. A deal with the short novel.
Particularly the lucky at the National Voters' Day. The day of the Constitutional Social Viti Pulsam Perchimanta Viti Sinsha Pada, the name democracy. That was Baba Pulsama, Jowai, you are a lucky class number 10. In the number 10 के electoral
individual but सुविधा कैंडिडेट का voter has right hand. To make a recommended act to inspire around 20 million users, the electors company come high to make a single point of service and information delivery to the voters. That make app what you have in download of Google Play Store, so that's for Apple Play Store.